What if I told you there's a way to spot winning stocks before they take off? Or avoid big market crashes before they happen? No, it's not magic. It's AI-powered investing. And the best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to use it. Meet Lillian, a teacher who knew nothing about investing until she started using AI tools. Last year, while everyone was panicking during a market dip, her AI assistant calmly told her which stocks were undervalued. She invested $1,000, and 6 months later, it was worth $1,850. Here's the truth. AI isn't replacing human investors. It's making them smarter. Think of it like having a 24/7 research assistant that can analyze thousands of stocks in seconds. First, there's the trend spotter. AI algorithms can detect patterns humans might miss, showing you what's likely to rise before it does. Then there's the risk manager. It constantly monitors your portfolio, warning you about dangerous concentrations. And finally, the value finder. It scans thousands of stocks to highlight truly undervalued opportunities.
Let's say you want to invest in tech. Instead of guessing, you could ask an AI tool, show me growing tech companies with strong finances under $50 per share. Boom. You get a curated list in seconds with all the key data explained in plain English. See the difference? This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making informed decisions instead of gambling. Your next steps? Start small. Try one AI investing app.